First question. Who's the biggest, toughest guy in this house?
Well, I don't like to toot my own horn, but I believe I hold the distinction of...
My house now? Now who's the funniest?
I know my way around a joke.
For God's sake, Dad, have some humility and save your life!
Better be.
This is BBC Emergency Alert System. We have been interrupting our normal programming for emergency alert. Not too long ago, phones and TVs were flashing black and red lights extremely, which caused a seizure to kids and adults. Apparently, these flashing lights were caused due to an application called Redlight.apk. This installer will have an app named Redlight.apk, which causes to install the app automatically or itself. This causes when you update your software to the latest version of Android or iOS, especially for beta softwares. Apparently, when you open the app, it reboots with red flashing lights. After 1 minute, it will reboot normally. To uninstall the app, boot your phone to safe mode and uninstall the app, or you can use the antivirus software to extend your phone's security. We will try our best to terminate the virus at this time as hard as we can. And now that's the end of the emergency alert system. Thank you for listening, which is BBC. Normal programming will be continuing. Please wait.
What the